Hi, welcome to our channel. Today, we'll look at one of the most effective practices for sustainable farming, crop rotation. Imagine transforming your fields into thriving ecosystems that improve soil health, outsmart pests, and increase yields, all through the simple yet powerful strategy of crop rotation. Stay with us as we explore how this crop rotation may transform your agricultural approach, increase productivity, and pave the road for a more sustainable future. Rotation in agriculture is the technique of rotating different crops or agricultural operations on the same land in order to preserve soil fertility, reduce pests and illnesses, and boost crop output. To manage soil health and ecosystems, this strategy includes changing crop types, modifying planting dates, and employing cover crops. Crop rotation can enhance soil structure, prevent erosion, and encourage beneficial microbes. It is an important part of sustainable agriculture since it helps to conserve resources, mitigate environmental impacts, and promote more resilient and productive farming systems. In today's modern agriculture, areas are frequently planted with the same crop year after year. This is known as monocropping. Monocropping causes soil degradation and raises the danger of disease and insect outbreaks. A regenerative model, on the other hand, recognizes the benefits of crop diversity, cover cropping, and crop rotations. Rotating crops across multiple fields promotes the regeneration of healthy soil ecosystems. Crop rotation in farming has a lot of promise to benefit the environment and more. Crop rotation helps to maintain soil structure and nutrient levels while also preventing soil-borne pests from establishing themselves in the garden. When a single crop is grown in the same location year after year, the soil structure gradually deteriorates because the same nutrients are used again. After a few years, the soil becomes unhealthy, depleted of specific nutrients. Simultaneously, insect pests that feed on a single crop and spend their larval stage in the soil become increasingly abundant as their food supply persists. Every year, the population of these pests grows, making management more difficult. Therefore, many crops may have a positive impact on subsequent crops in the rotation, resulting in increased yield overall. Crop rotations are utilized to reduce pests and diseases in the cropping system, while also controlling weeds by using smothering crop species. Crop rotations also provide benefits in terms of soil quality, nutrient distribution in the soil profile, and increased biological activity. If planting and harvest periods differ, rotations can reduce peak labor times and improve labor distribution throughout the year. Also, crop rotations may reduce risk since poor seasons, or parts of a season, can damage some crops more than others. Crop rotations can balance residue production by alternating between crops that create few or short-lived residues and crops that produce a large number of durable residues. Rotation in agriculture is important for soil, as it is an important method for sustaining healthy and productive soil. Soil health improves in a variety of ways when crop types are changed in the same region. Crop rotation disrupts disease and pest cycles, slows soil erosion and nutrient depletion, and encourages beneficial microbes. Different crops have different nutrient requirements, which can balance each other out. For example, legumes fix nitrogen, whereas cereals demand it. So, agricultural rotation can improve agricultural yields, reduce pesticide use, and slow soil degradation. It is a critical technique for sustainable agriculture and soil conservation. Apart from that, diverse crop rotation improves soil biology. As we know that crop rotation is an agricultural method that involves switching between different crops and plants to produce a diverse habitat that promotes a healthy ecology. This diverse habitat is good for microorganisms to thrive because it supplies a variety of nutrients, minimizes soil degradation, and encourages beneficial microbial interactions. Residues, root systems, and decompositions vary between crops, supporting various microbial populations. Legumes, such as beans, produce nitrogen-fixing bacteria, whereas grasses promote fungal growth. Crop rotation promotes a healthy and resilient soil microbiota, which improves both plant development and overall ecosystem health. Additionally, crop rotation is an agricultural practice that involves switching between various crops or crop groups in order to lessen pest and disease pressure. Crop rotation disrupts the life cycle of pests and diseases, hence breaking the cycle of infestation and infection. For example, if a crop is prone to a specific insect or disease, rotating it with another crop can lessen the likelihood of infestation. Crop rotation can also improve soil health, structure, and fertility, potentially reducing the need for pesticides and fertilizers. This strategy encourages sustainable agriculture and is beneficial to the environment. Adding more, crop rotation is critical for decreasing the use of petrochemical-based fertilizers and insecticides. By altering the crops produced in the same soil, pest and disease life cycles are disrupted, allowing beneficial insects, microbes, and fungus to flourish. This strategy promotes natural biological processes, which reduces the need for chemical pesticides. Crop rotation also improves soil health, boosting fertility and structure, minimizing the need for synthetic fertilizers. As a result, farmers can minimize their environmental effect while maintaining or growing crop production. Furthermore, crop rotation plays a significant role in human health benefits. By cycling different crops, farmers reduce the dependency on specific pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers, which can contaminate soil, water, and air. This method also promotes biodiversity, increases soil fertility, and improves water retention. Rotating crops can help eliminate pest and disease buildup, reducing the need for synthetic chemicals. As a result, consumers of crop rotation-produced foods can enjoy a lower risk of exposure to toxic residues and have access to a more diverse and nutrient-rich diet, supporting overall human health and well-being. To conclude, crop rotation is a fundamental method in sustainable agriculture that provides numerous benefits. Farmers can improve soil health, minimize the need for chemical inputs, and better manage pests and diseases by rotating various crops on the same land over time. This approach prevents nutrient depletion, enhances soil structure, and reduces the possibility of weed and pest resistance. Crop rotation also promotes biodiversity while lowering the chance of crop failure due to market volatility or environmental factors. Finally, crop rotation promotes more resilient and productive farming systems, which contribute to long-term agricultural sustainability and environmental conditions. Hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, then like the video and subscribe to our channel to get notifications of our new videos. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed.